Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. That's today's piece that I'm showing you there. This is milk paint it's an experiment. It's my second attempt. As you can see, the first one, the pearls were misshapen because I stretched the two bases out prior to swiping, and that didn't work. I needed to leave a puddle to swipe on. So that is Veranda Blue milk paint by Folk Art mixed with low sheen, just normal white house paint, Floetrol and water. And then the white I pour over the top of that is just the white house paint, low sheen, mixed with Floetrol and water to quite a runny consistency. Doesn't leave a trace when you drizzle onto the cup. I know normally Dwight Myers and Sarah Taylor and Melody, they use satin enamel, but I thought I'd try the milk paint because Elise Fournier, she used to use milk paint and get the nice pearl effect, so I thought I'd give it a go. Can't get the white milk paint any longer. They don't make it in Folk Art, but they still make the colours. The colours I'm using are, that's Liquitex Bright Aqua Green mixed with Pearl Medium, Sheleeart Pouring Medium, and I use TLP Cappuccino, TLP Cinnamon, TLP Sea Glass, Colour Art Primary Elements Bling It in Indian Spice, and I swipe with Atelier Titanium White. Put some music on for you now and be back later.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. That too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret stars. standing next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. They're all the things I want to know. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
I'm back and I'm happy. I love these colours. Just look at the colours together. I was asked in, I can't remember which video it was, somebody asked me to do a piece in green, and I did reply saying that I didn't like green, which I don't. It isn't one of my favourite colours. I don't dislike it, it's just not a favourite of mine. So okay, I'm doing green for you. This sea glass with the Aqua is a beautiful green. If you use sea glass and the Aqua with blue, they look totally different, but using them with cinnamon and the rich cappuccino, they throw off a lovely silvery green. Yeah, I'm a bit of a convert. I think it's really nice, happy with it, and obviously metallics, you just can't go wrong. Beautiful, very happy with these colours together, and I like my experiment. I think it worked out how I was, sort of what I was going for. Sorry, I'm looking at the picture and I'm losing track of my thoughts. The pearls, I think they're quite nice. The cloudy pearls, or whatever you want to call them. I've got some other colours in the milk paint, so I'm going to experiment with other colours. So yeah, my next one probably will be another experiment, but I do love these colours together. Love them. Really happy with them. And when you use a thinner base, you get kind of a smoky, the smoky effect around the edge, which I think is really attractive as well. Sort of the smoky, misty look. The colours blur into the white. So yeah, it's I like it. I keep saying that, I know. Okay then guys, so I'll see you all next time. Take care of yourselves, stay safe, see you soon. There'll be some still pictures on at the end of some close-ups as well as the whole picture. See you soon guys, bye. Please like, share and subscribe. Really appreciate if you subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.